Good morning, everyone. It is now 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm down at the fishing village because I'm going out fishing this morning with Seb. As you see, the boats have come in, and what they're doing, they are selling their catch, what's been caught off the boat, freshly caught this morning. So there's different varieties of seafood, like crab, fish, shellfish, squid, and prawns. Oh, barracuda. Sometimes you'll get, as you see, Nang is talking with the captain's wife, Seb's wife, and that. The last time I saw her a couple of years ago, she had different colours in her hair. I don't think I could recognise her now. Yeah?
You give her 200 baht, she go buy for fishing.
Yeah, hold that. Right. Can you keep the camera rolling while I'll give her the money? It's just that I'm doing a video diary.
Oh, okay.
Let's go into my wallet. 200 baht.
Yeah. แล้วเขาให้ไลน์ใครมาวันนี้ถือว่าแล้วโทรไม่ติด
I've only got 500 baht.
Yeah,
There you
go
go.
give back.
Of course you can, I know.
เนี่ยไลน์หนูเนี่ยที่มีสีม่วง
Okay, I'll just get the phone back. As I was filming, Nang, zip me up, will you? Yeah, so, end of the day, let's see what varieties of seafood's on offer. So I'll have a look as I'm walking round, and we'll see the fishermen offloading the net, offloading the catch. Video do. As you see, these boats have came in. Like, see what they've got. I'm making a video do. You know, bits better not step on the nets.
นักร้องแม่งบ่นเลยอะแต่เดี๋ยวร้องเพลงยังไม่ได้กี่คำมันเขียนโอ้ยมาคืนวานนะทำอย่างนี้นิ่งๆไม่ได้เปิดก็เลย
Oh, I think the boat next door looks promising. What have they got in here? Crab. See, it's all caught in these nets. And I think they have the hard job separating it from the nets as it's all tangled up. So this man here in the next boat must have done his offload and he's redoing his net. Maybe he's going back out to let it soak for the day again, and he may go out at night and bring in another catch. And well, there's more crab than, well, any other fish. Right, I'll see what's up on what they're selling up on the stall. Thank you. I'll give her. I'll give her. Beautiful. See, there's a boat coming in now. So he may have brought it, may have got his catch. Sunday. He's catching. Video door. In the video. Yeah, I think everyone's up. Looking at see what they've got on the market. So I bet by the end of the morning, all this will have gone. All this will have gone. Oh, good variety of fish. Crab. Oh, shark. Basalam, which is a shark. I think Nang would not be happy if I caught a shark. Anyway,